Have you ever wondered how to elevate your gaming experience in Path of Exile 2? Before diving into the details, a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated on all things gaming. In the vast and intricate world of Rayclast, players often seek tools to enhance their journey. Uh, Enter the Sidekick add-on, a game changer for many seasoned players. This third-party application has become a trusted companion, making the complex landscape of Path of Exile 2 a bit more manageable resources. While the game doesn't offer in-game modifications like some others, Sidekick stands out as a popular choice among dedicated fans. It provides a suite of features designed to streamline gameplay, including customizable shortcuts that can significantly improve your efficiency. And why did the gamer bring a ladder to the game? And because they heard the loot was on another level. Uh, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,